here again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place your design on a mockup in Photoshop. Follow me, let's dive deeper. So in this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how you can apparently place your design on a mockup for display. Alright, so here is a particular mockup. It's called square frame mockup. So any kind of mockup at all, you can download them online, maybe Freepik or wherever. So once you download, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to download a PSD file, a PSD format of such mockup. Okay, so now this is a mockup. I just want to place, it's more like a wall mockup, whereby you just place your design and it will be as if you placed it on a wall. Okay, so so now what I want to show quickly is, once you click on this, okay, let me click on this so that it shows the transform. So once you click on this, you discover that this has opened up. So meaning that if I turn this off now, okay, okay, so I really don't know why it's not turning off, or actually what I'm trying to do is that okay, so now I want to place my design on this. So now you look at the layer panel here. So now for you to be able to recognize the specific mockup where you can place your own design, you will see some they will label it place design or your design, as the case may be. They may label it like that. But if that's not the case, you would see this very sign. It shows that this has been converted to smart object. Also, this has been converted to smart object. I don't know which is this. Oh, okay, that's the line here. So now if I turn this off, I actually don't know why it's not reflecting, but then that's not the issue. So now what will happen is you make sure that you locate any of the design or any of the layer on the layer panel, any of the layer that has been that has been converted to smart object. And how will you know if a particular layer has been converted to smart object? You would see this very sign just by this corner, by the right bottom corner. You will see it. That's how you'd be able to know that if this particular layer has been converted to a smart object or not. If you look at this also, it has been converted to smart object. So how do you convert to smart object? It's very simple. So let me just use this as an example to convert to smart object. This wall is already converted to smart object. Okay, let me just use this as an example. So what you do is you right click. So once you right click, you see convert to smart object. So if you click on it, oh my goodness. Okay, so there's no more space on my system now to save this particular but that's not an issue. That's not an issue. Okay, so what I would do is I would double click. Okay, alright, so as I was saying previously, so now I quickly want to show you how to know if, or how to convert to smart object, how to be able to recognize it. So I'm just going to use this as an example. So what I will do is I'll click on this layer 1 that is labeled layer 1. I will right click. So once I right click, I will see convert to smart object. Then I hit up on convert to smart object. Immediately you see it has been converted to smart object. So with this now I can do whatever I want to do with it. So I'm just going to undo it. So I'm going to click on this. So you see that it has been converted to smart object. So it's very easy, meaning that you can place your design on it. So I'm just going to double click it. So once I double click like this, I'm going to place my design on it. So the design I want to place on it is this. So I'm just going to click and drag. I'm just going to drag this design like this. Then I'll just drag it to one corner like this. So I'm going to click and drag as well again. Then I can minimize this. Instead of closing it, I can just minimize. Then I would hold my control and double tap my letter T so that I can transform it to fit in with the frame. Okay, so I think something like this is cool. So I can just make sure that I highlight everything, then I made it set up to fit into the page. So after I'm done with that, I will just click on Ctrl S, so it's gonna save automatically. So by the time I open to the mockup now, I should see this particular design on it. Voila, and that's it. So that's basically how to place your design on a mockup and how to also locate the file where you can place your design on in a mockup. Some of them, they might be labeled as place your design or your design, but what if they are not labeled like that? So the easiest way to just locate it is when you see this particular sign here, it gives you a prompt that okay, this is a converted, that's just a smart object where you can place your design on in a mockup. So basically that's all about this tutorial. I hope you like and you enjoyed this tutorial. So let me know what you feel about this tutorial. Drop your comments in the comment box and also drop a thumbs up. Share this video. Don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn graphic design, UI UX design, and partly maybe data analysis. So then that's the nice place for you to be. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I see you on the next one. Thank you.